Hello, speechers, and welcome to today's storytelling time. Remember the Karins, the two doctors that were looking for a nice new house for their growing family? Well, we reviewed their living room and we reviewed their kitchen. Today, we review their bedrooms upstairs. Ready? Okay. Upstairs, the bedrooms wait to be filled with dreams and memories, the same as hours of relaxing sleep. The teenage daughter will have her own room for the first time, with a balcony where she will study and read, listen to music, and hang fairy lights around her mirror. She will invite friends to sleep over whenever she wants, and they will watch the stars on quiet nights. The teenage daughter has very nice relationships at schools. So, in this new school, she has new friends and she will invite them to have these amazing sleepovers in the future. The young boy's room will be colorful and full of energy, with a small desk and bookshelves and a bed covered with a superhero sheets and blankets. His laughter will fill the hallway, so parents will know they are still awake. Next to the parents' bedroom, a gentle space will become the nursery. The nursery for these twins that are on their way. Two small cribs will stand by the window, waiting for them to fill them with love, laughter, and care. A soft rocking chair will rest in the corner, ready for quiet moments at night. The parents will hold their babies close and dream about their future as a family of six. So, do you agree that this is the perfect house for growing a family? Remember, next to the parents' bedroom, upstairs, going up the stairs, and the teenage daughter, the elementary student boy, and the twins, los gemelos. So, don't forget to follow us. Y no se olviden de darle like, suscribirse y seguirnos en TikTok y en Instagram. Vamos a intercambiar puntos de vista, preguntas, dudas y comentarios. Entre más cerca estemos, más me conecto con ustedes y sé que más quieren saber. See you soon, speechers. Bye bye.